and I'll be showing you how I did these short passion twists on myself. As you can see, I used 2 different colors. I'll put those in the description box. I'll be showing you how to attach the hair to your head, how I did it, and how I got my passion twist to look all pretty much the same. Right now I'm showing you the products that I put on prior to adding the hair, which is the scalp conditioner that I get locally, but I know the sellers do ship the product as well. I also added this As I Am rice water to my hair just to wet it just a little bit, not a lot. I used 9 pieces of the Passion Waterwave hair because the pieces are so thin. I will show you later in the video how thin the pieces are. And now I'm just going to begin by doing a basic braid. I did attach a rubber band to my hair first, so just watch as I braid. I did not really count down as I braided down. I just braided down just a little bit, but you don't want to braid down too much because you want it to mostly look like a twist. You're gonna see how I'm gonna add some even, I hope I'm saying that right, but I'm gonna add some of that edge control on my hair just to smooth it out. I stopped braiding and now I'm going to separate my hair and split it, attaching it to each side that I'm holding the passion twist. So then I just start twisting my hair along with the passion twist hair. I'm adding edge control as I'm twisting because this is a thicker twist, so I have to do that to make sure my hair is pressed down with the twist. And you can try hiding your hair under the passion twist hair as you twist, but I personally didn't worry about all that, and my hair still turned out great. But y'all, this is super duper easy. Like seriously, I feel like my grandma could do this, but maybe not my grandma because the parts do have to look pretty neat. But yeah, it's a super easy style. Keep watching though, because I'm going to slow it down a little bit and show you exactly how I am twisting the hair. So keep watching, it's coming. So here we go. I'm showing you that I'm doing a twisting motion in my left hand and my right hand before I cross the hair over the twist. And again, twisting motion. Then I'm going to take the hair and then twist it over. Now when I'm twisting it, it's showing me do it a lot faster, but I am doing this each time I twist. And I want you to notice that I'm twisting both of them in an upwards motion. I'm going to show you a lot closer in a few seconds. Okay, well, I hope you all were able to get that. Well, you know what? I know y'all were able to get it. I believe in y'all. You can do it. Just watch it a few times if you need to. Swear you'll be able to do it. But I want you to keep looking because, dude, you're going to need to see something that's about to happen. It's very important. Like, literally, keep your eyes glued on the screen. Okay? You might not even want to blink. But anyway, you're about to see how I got my twist to look pretty much close to the same. It's all going to be about the direction that you're crossing the hair over as you twist. So keep watching. So as you can see, this twist looks different than all my other twists. It's more of a, I don't know, I guess I can say like a looser look. So what I'm going to do is take it out and I'm going to retwist it. The first time around I was twisting and crossing over to my left, and this time I'm going to twist and cross over to my right. And honestly, that's the trick. So what I did is exactly what I did on this video with my hair. If I did it and I noticed it was the wrong direction, I just took it out and I did it again. But you can definitely check it far before you get all the way to the end of the twist. And it's up to you and your desired look, because you may be okay with the twist looking different or having that looser or more wavy look. So all I did last was measure that twist to make sure it matched the others before I cut that extended piece of hair underneath the rubber band. I did end up cutting the extra hair that you see under my rubber band because I liked that look when I first did it, but then I was like, nah, I'm gonna change that. I'd rather have not as much hair underneath.
Get that.